Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to latest exam current affairs. Today is 11 May 2020. 11 May 2020 important question by current affairs. Discuss this video. Start now. Question 1. Which country recently approved the new coronavirus antigen? Answer is America. US regulators has approved a new type of coronavirus test. The Food and Drug Administration has announced emergency authorization for antigen test developed by Quidel Corporation of San Diego. The test can rapidly detect fragments of virus proteins in samples collected from swabs swabbed inside the nasal cavity. The antigen test is the third type of the test to be authorized by the FDA. Next question is second. How long is the time of remembrance and harmony? Answer is 8 to 9 May. The United Nations has a 2-day global observance that occurs on May 8 and 9 each year. It is known as the time of remembrance and recognition for those who lost their lives during the Second World War. This 2-way observance gives people, non-government authorizations and governments the chance to remember people who died during World War II. Next question is third. Recently, which ministry organized the 16th webinar? Ministry of Tourism. Answer is Ministry of Tourism. Ministry of Tourism देखो अपना देश webinar series titled Goa Crucible of Culture was organized on 7th May 2020. It presented the lesser known or unknown travel experience that India's most popular tourist destination Goa offers. Presented by Vivek Manager, writer, photographer, festival coordinator, the webinar showcased the riches of Goa. Next question is fourth. Recently, how many startups was awarded by the center? Answer is 12. The government on 8 May 2020 Goa award to 12 startups to finding innovative solution to address problem posed by the animal husbandry and dairy sector. Minister for Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying Giriraj Singh announced the winner of Startup India Animal Husbandry Grand Challenge under value added product category. The winner was Krishak Mitra Agro Service Private Limited. Next question is fifth. Recently, which state government formed a high level panel? Answer is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu government has constituted a high level committee under the chairmanship of former governor of Reserve Bank of India C. Rangarajan. It has been formed to advise the government on medium term response post COVID lockdown period. Rangarajan, who is presently the chairman of the Madras School of Economics, has also headed the PM's Economic Advisory Council under Manmohan Singh earlier. Next question is sixth. Recently, who issued a commemorative postage stamp? Answer is WHO. The WHO and the UN Postal Agency have released a commemorative postage stamp on the 14th anniversary of the eradication of smallpox. In May 1980, the 33rd World Health Assembly issued its official declaration that the world and all its people have won freedom from smallpox. The stamp recognizes the global solidarity in fighting smallpox and honors millions of people working together. Next question is 7. Recently, who got the drug trial of phytopharmaceutical? Answer is CSIR. The Council for Scientific and Industrial Research has received approval for clinical trial of two drugs to treat COVID-19. The Drug Controller General of India DGCI has given approved approval for the clinical trials of the drugs, namely photopharmaceutical and favipiravir. Favipiravir, a proven anti-influenza drug, while photopharmaceutical via the herbal medicine extract from plants. Next question is it. Which state government recently banned pan masala? Answer is Jharkhand. Answer is Jharkhand. Jharkhand government has banned manufacture, sale and storage of 11 brands of pan masala from a year, saying these products contain a chemical which is harmful to the heart. Any violation of this order shall entail strict action under the appropriate section of the Food Safety and Standards Act 2006 and the Indian Penal Code. Jharkhand becomes the third state after Maharashtra and Bihar to do so. Next question is 9. Which birth anniversary of Maharana Pratap was celebrated recently? Answer is 418. Maharana Pratap was a Rajput king who was known for his valor. Born on 9 May 1514, Maharana Pratap was the 30th Rajput ruler of the kingdom of Mewar. The honor of the brave king Maharana Pratap Jayanti is celebrated every year on 9 May. The year 2020 marks the 48th birth anniversary of Maharana Pratap. He was born to King Uday Singh II and Queen Jayavanta, wife of Mewar. Next question is 10. Recently, Pandada Kutappa has passed away. Which sport did he belong to? Answer is hockey. Pandada Kutappa, who founded the world famous Kuttani family hockey tournament exclusively for the Kudava families, passed away in May 2020. He conceived the idea of Kudava family hockey festival in 1970. On an average, 250 families send their teams for the tournament, which is usually played in the month of April May every year. Next question is 11. Recently become the first state to provide midday food ration. Answer is Madhya Pradesh. MP has become the first state to provide midday meal ration. To provide midday meal to school children, an amount of raised 170 crore has been transferred. Online is the bank account of the parents of 26,27,000 students of primary and secondary school by the state government. In addition, under door-to-door midday meal scheme, ration has also been provided to 56,87,000 children. Next question is 12. Recently, India unemployment has increased by what percentage? Answer is 27.11%, 11%. The COVID crisis has led to a spike in the country unemployment rate of 27.11% for the week ended May 3, 2020, up from the under 7% level before the start of the pandemic in mid-March. This was relieved by the Center for Monitoring Indian Economy. The rate of unemployment was the highest in the urban areas, which constitute the most number of red zones. Next question is 13. Recently, who deserved a cloudly band like Jupiter? Answer is NASA. A team of astronomers has developed that the closest known brown dwarf Loehmann 16A shows signs of cloud band similar to those seen on Jupiter and Saturn. This is the first time scientific has used the technique of polarimetry to determine the properties of atmospheric clouds outside of the solar system or X clouds. Brown dwarfs are objects heavier than planets but lighter than stars. Next question is 14. Recently, who made photo detectors? Answer is JNCASR. Scientific from Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research, JNCASR, have fabricated an economical and efficient water scale photo detector for security application. It could help detect weak scattered light as an indication of unwanted activity. The invention was published in the journal Applied Electronic Materials of the American Chemical Society. Next question is 50. Recently, who has given 12,767 crore of state cooperative bank regional rural bank? Answer is NABARD. The National Bank of Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD, has distributed 12,767 crore of state or cooperative bank STCBS regional bank rural bank RRBS across the country. This has been done to augment their resources for extending credit to farmers during the ongoing lockdown. There are 33 STCBS and 45 RRBS in the country. Video is closed. Next question, yesterday answer. Recently, which state government started Jan Sunwai portal? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Tomorrow question, answer is fill the comment box. Recently, the which state Sanjeevani vehicle was developed?